Welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a simple product in OnePatch. To create a simple product, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click Products, then All Products. Once the page has loaded, go to the top of the page and click Add Product. On this page you will see a text box and a drop-down menu on the top right-hand side of your screen. This drop-down includes the options Simple Product, Variable Product, and Bundle Product. As we are creating a simple product, we will select the option Simple Product. Then enter the product title into the text box, then click Save. This will then take you to the product information page, where you can enter all of the information needed for your product. For example, quantity, SKU, price, etc. And that's it. You have now created a simple product. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.